So making a lot of progress. I am on the second design, which is what I'm calling the skinny logo for social media. It takes the elements of the main logo and kind of streamlines it, while also adding a few other ones too. I'm going to be having a few graphics to symbolize New Haven's pizza, because we're famous for that, among other things, and just kind of moving elements around so that it still works as a composition, but the client is able to use it for different things. So really happy that I'm making progress on this one. I'm actually doing a re-ink just to make sure that the DPI looks the way that's supposed to be, since they're probably gonna print this on materials and things like that. So fully colored, good to go. Harkness Tower. This is a Yale building, very popular. Walk by it all the time when I'm in New Haven. They wanted some contemporary buildings. State Street in New Haven, the Garage in New Haven, different Yale building, MTA Metro North connecting New Haven all the way to New York City. That's very popular. It's our transit system, so I wanted to have that. And then also connecting with CT Transit, our bus line system. They wanted purple as one of the brand colors, so I kind of did like a brush stroke on New Haven, kind of bringing all that together. And the font is actually from the railway. It's a railway font that is used for MTA. Brownstone in the middle, people above that, East Rock, New Haven Green, Lighthouse Park, and different buildings in there too, just to have little landmarks. Made a lot of progress on this design, hoping to have a meeting with the client to just start finalizing everything. Gearing up to go to Atlanta for my birthday, so just finalizing these last few things before I head out. The skinny logo is finished, added a few flourishes to it, just to differentiate the two. Louis' Lunch is in there from New Haven, Pepe's Pizza, without the logos because I didn't want to have to deal with any copyright issues, but those are essentially what the buildings are, what they reference. Lighthouse Point, like the other one. I did Sleeping Giant because there's like a fort up there. Kept the bus, kept the brownstone, kept the building on State Street, kept the MTA train, added another apartment, and moved the people to the top of the logo where it is, and moved the logo placement too, since it is a horizontal design. And then just added a few other touches here and there. I am going to get dressed for the client meeting I have later, and then hopefully be able to just color this and then do some more of the individual designs. So a few changes to make. For one, it looks like they want the people possibly out of the illustration to make room for the logo, which they want to go in the middle so that the focus is on the logo and everything else is around the buildings. So what I'm most likely going to do is take this element and move it up and expand the square so that I have more space. I'll probably leave the bus and everything else where it is. They also want the purple brush stroke gone. And I think that will be it for the changes, nothing too major. So thankful for that. And the skinny logo is not quite finished yet, but this one's pretty much good to go. The only thing that needed to be done was to fix a typo in the logo, which I did already. Take out the word balloons that were dots, and then remove the mask from this person here They didn't really want people to associate the logo with COVID, so that's fine. So I just have to color all of this in, and then this will be good to submit to the client. And then I'll see if I have time to do some of the smaller individual logos for social media.